flaps 15 and 30.
There we go. Okay, you can set lower now. Prepare for the approach.
Check 6,700. Level change.
Keep that speed down. You want the final flap to help you get down.
Flaps 30.
Speed checks. Flaps 30. You're sure it's 6,700 if you want to set lower.
Check. 5,600 is the next one. 300 below. Well, I just want to catch that slope up.
I'm happy if you go path now.
Alright, cool. You
dive it
can
onto
speed up
the
me, please.
drive it in FMC speed meter path.
Check speed at
2,500.
Radio altimeter, your RMP checks on this airplane.
Okay, 8,007 is approach altitude.
Checks.
Landing checklist.
Right, landing checklist, start switches.
Continue.
Speed brake.
Off.
Landing gear.
Down to green.
Flaps.
30 green line.
So landing checklist complete, standing by the cruise today.
100.065. Everything else.
Checks. It's 19 from the left at the moment and 4 on the slot. Let's go 7 toppers. Hey, for the good land.
Alright, I'm gonna have some fun.
Alrighty.
Disengaging on the flaps.
Flight director, checks.
1,000.
Approach stable.
Contact to visual menu.
Check. Wind check, please.
Approaching minimums.
It's from the left 10 knots.
Minimums.
Raising slope.
Check.
Just gonna ride it out.
Check.
500.
2 reds, 2 lights on my side. Now on your side, that's it.
Now I'm gonna go.
400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up.